Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. Feathers up. We're not just talking, we're actually living it. Grand rising to y'all. Sitting here thinking, but also I'm filling up some water so I can boil me some hot water to get some tea. I haven't had some tea in a long time, you hear me? But, man, I'm just thinking like these narcissists, man. Always got this, it's like they operate off the same playbook, man. With the same playbook. They always got this thing where they always talk about we need to talk. We need to talk. And you know what, that whole we need to talk type of thing is code for, oh, you can't be mad at me. They decide when you're no longer mad at them. Because that's when they can't take it anymore from you not talking to them. All right, you had your chance to be mad at me. Now you're gonna continue talking to me. No, nigga, it don't work like that. It don't operate like that. It don't operate like that. Cause these motherfuckers, they'll stop talking to you whenever they choose not to stop talking to you. But now, all of a sudden, I'm not just your toy or something you can just put on the shelf and use whenever you want, and I'm just supposed to be there up in your arms. Freak that. Ugly ass. I can hear an ugly ass bitch through the phone. That's when I told y'all when my biological mother, who's a narcissist, called the hotel room number got transferred through here, through the phone. Freaking bum bitch. I heard that ugly bitch. Knew it was an ugly bitch. Ugly ass face. Bitch talking about we still need to talk. Bitch, what the frick is there to talk about, bitch? And it was a narcissistic ass cop. He was only doing his job, supposedly. Cause the bitch, I guess she must have told us the waterworks or something. I said that, hey. But he's like, oh, it's been a long time. I don't give a frick if it's been a long time. I told it to the cop that she raped me. It's been a long time. They don't care because he's a pale face, and that rape and molestation, pedophilia culture, that's theirs. That's pale foreigner culture. People don't want to talk about that with these narcissism videos because pedophiles are narcissists. Yes. And that's what happens, like, when these foreigner cultures, they come here, we adopt a bunch of their practices along with the food too, eating the blood and the starch. We're not blood and starch people. We don't eat blood and starch. We're natural nature people. Our people here are naked on this tropical continent, the American continent. You hear me? We used to be tropical. We used to be naked. So there was no pedophilia. There was no molestation. There was no rape. There was no sexual harassment. There was no sexual abuse. These foreigners, disgusting ass culture, they never want to take accountability for it. And the word narcissism comes from narcissist. That's a European. I'm not a racist. I don't subscribe to your racism. Race is a competition. Race is a social construct. But an active race. I've simply applied to the correct ways of my ancestors. That's what I try to align with. All these foreigners want to come in and steal your energy, steal your currency. I gotta deal with these be-like garbage ass narcissists. Not authentic, not real. Wanna come and knock on your door and talk, trying to act like nothing ever happened. Oh, real spit, swear to God. Real spit, swear to God. Coming up my door and stuff like that. Talking like we friends and stuff, like nigga, like you just want being a bitch on the phone, nigga. Nigga, your place is right across the building from mine. You couldn't have walked over, had my face to face, but yeah, you calling me on the Not even on your cell phone, nigga. Your girls. And nigga, you right, you wouldn't have a face-to-face discussion. Just a motherfucking coward. So the nigga, I start talking to the nigga, and the nigga come knocking on my door and stuff. The frick? And that was the narcissistic friend. And then here go this bitch. My biological father. I showed y'all. Nigga knocking on the door at 9:06 p.m. at night, nigga. What the frick? Knocking like a fiend. Bitch nigga think I'm a... I ain't taking none of that, though. I ain't taking none of that. Bitch ass nigga. And he got his sister send me some gift after I ain't talked to this bitch in months. F that bitch. Bitch not even right about herself. She a flying monkey, bitch. Just like I said, yo. And how the video how to tell between a narcissist and how to tell that somebody's a flying monkey. Part 1 and part 2. Go search that. Pardon. Freaking losers, man. And they realize that's why they hoovering so hard, because they're like, he's really gone. Like, we don't really have much track of him. Because they need more supply. They need more supply. They need something new. And they'll look for stuff and always look for other people, but they won't find nobody like you. Really like you, because you authentic. You the gold mine. You the currency. I want to sit there and take from you. I want to sit there and take from you, yo. They need something new to watch and ponder and stalk you on. What are you up to? What are you doing? Bitch ass freaking loser, ain't got no freaking life. I was thinking about disciplining them in another way, but they want that. They can say, oh, they tried to get me, they tried it. They want any interaction rather than even if a negative interaction, even if it's not a positive one. They know they don't want to talk. You don't want to talk to them. It's a freaking loser. Because they can sense you're escaping so much. Too much freedom. They never wanted you to be free. They wanted to hound and harass you. That's so they could be around you and you don't get it. You like, why the frick? I can't even settle right. I can't even get settled in my thoughts because you got this nervous, jittery ass energy all around you and whatnot. That's them right there. I'm like, man, you got to get the frick away from me. My biological mother, this bare-built bitch. Always antsy or whatnot and trying to follow and like can follow you around your shoulder. Bitch, you better move. I mean, sometimes I want to stink back like, nigga, you better move, bro. Get the frick away, nigga. That bitch deserves more than anything, bro. More than anything. Deserves a lot of things. And you know what, too, man? Like, I was then just talking to this brother, called that. This nigga was telling me something like, oh, you don't need to be worried about what's in the past or whatnot. And get off and said, nigga, I ain't worried about what's in the past. And you ain't been through what I've been through for you to be saying that. And nigga, you asked me about something, and I was telling you about something as far as the narcissist hoovering, they being at my freaking door, knocking and banging under the door. So I'm not talking about that. And number one, nigga, I got up out my situation because I knew I wasn't going to be in my situation. This motherfucker wasn't trying to. And if he did, he was trying to do it the right way. And I think he got into another type of situation. Because I heard the nigga talking about some stuff with some females and he just wasn't no stand-up man, no stand-up character. You hear me? And I'm not stingy with this because I be giving brothers sauce. But they don't want to do it. They don't want to take advantage of it. Like I tell them, a book to read, you hear me? Like a book I gotta dig and deep right into. You know what I'm saying? How to Be a 3% Man, Corey Wayne, you hear me? But look, and it's just so much other things, man. But like too, I had to step up and tighten up because I know over here is very draining. Like I was in the process of doing my hair, I'm still doing it. I'm fixing it. I'm gonna finish it today. I gotta cook, and there's a lot of stuff that's draining. I get tired of spending all this money at this whack ass hotel. You know, I'm gonna get stuff done in place. Continue to get stuff done in place, so we just get the frick up out of here. This drain hole, this freaking cold and this snow and stuff. People don't even want to talk about that with the narcissism. And it's like it's connected with the weather too. Like why you get this draining feeling? If you the tropical people, this is a tropical continent. America is a tropical continent. It's a negatively manipulative weather machines in order to throw the weather off. The sun to be gleaming. How is the sun gleaming so hot? Isn't the sun supposed to be the hottest thing? But yet it's ice cold? That don't make a bit of sense. It's like the plants, they want to live, they want to survive. But then all of a sudden, when that snow goes away, it comes back. But where's the snow coming from then? Is it even natural? Why does the snow look like the stuff on the back of... Why does the snow look like the stuff in the back of your freezer? Alright, man. This is too much loaded into one subject. Niggas don't even know or even can't even comprehend this as far as what to even call this. But hey, y'all wanna talk to somebody, man, you book a consultation 101. Send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. Or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. You know what I'm saying? With this the email subject consultation. One of a kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You know, we even got jackets up there, we got hoodies, you know, hats, caps, you know, socks, shirts. One of a kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You guys seen this crap, these apparel, go ahead and check that out. Go ahead and grab you some, support those that support you. You hear me? Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, daily uploads. Share this with those who need it. Share this with other warriors, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? Crazy. Gotta meditate, man. Check out the links for it too. You guys want to start a business, gotta get a business course. Best business course you ever took. It's only those who really want to make a change in their life, not just talking. Peace, love, and light, y'all.